Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy this PEPE coin on your Coinbase wallet. So in order to buy it, as you can see, the contract is with Ethereum. So the best it would be to buy with Ethereum. So first of all, you need to go ahead and have some Ethereum onto your Coinbase wallet. So you can click buy, or you can go ahead and receive it to your Coinbase wallet. If you click receive, you will see all of these addresses like Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, and what you want to copy is Ethereum address because PEPE is an Ethereum contract. So you want to copy this address and we need to basically send it from somewhere. So for today, I'm going to use Binance as example. I will also leave a link to the Binance in the description below where you can get a $100 bonus. So from here, you want to go to your assets. And for example, let's go to Spot. And on Spot, as you can see, there's some Ethereum. So you can go ahead and click now withdraw, select the coin. So let's select Ethereum and withdraw to. Let's select the address. Let's paste it what we have copied. After that, you will see that what you can withdraw and how much of the fee it will be. After that, just click withdraw and the Ethereum will be on your Coinbase wallet. Now you can also buy it, just click buy. And you can add transfer from another wallet or add crypto with Coinbase on ramp. Once you click on here, you will be redirected to this page. Choose Ethereum. Now you will enter the amount and also you need to go ahead and add a payment method. So as you can see, you can go ahead and use bank account or add a debit card. Now, once you will have Ethereum on your Coinbase wallet, as you can see, the Uniswap is almost also the main one exchange for PEPE. So what you want to do is go ahead to Uniswap, connect your wallet right there, and after that, make sure that you are on Ethereum network. Now, once you have that ETH we just transferred or bought, you can select a token. So you can either write down PEPE. If you cannot find it, you can go ahead here, copy the address, and for example, enter it right there. And you will get the exact coin which you want. After that, just write down how much you want to go ahead and buy. And after this, you will see how much of the gas fee there is, 29 cents, some network cost. And that's basically it. That's how you buy PEPE. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.